take part of that. It's really fun. I like having different pieces and like this people.
Fabulous, exciting and exhausting.
This is my first time coming to Big Nuts Garden Orchestra.
I've learned how to play a glockenspiel.
I'm really excited about the concerts, and I've learned quite a lot about playing in a big orchestra.
It was actually really fun just learning all of the pieces.
We've been coming to the Children's Music Academy Big Noise event ever since it started, a good few years ago now, a very long time ago. It's a really fantastic opportunity for the children to make music with like-minded children from other schools, sharing what they've done, having that sense of achievement, and getting the opportunity to provide to the audience, developing their confidence. So it's a really, really good opportunity that I've just tried to make sure that you come back to every single year.